Summer is the perfect season for exploring Greek cuisine. That's what Matt's been saying all morning. It is full of fresh, delicious produce.
I've had a countdown to this segment, you better believe it, because it's great for backyard barbecues. The best person probably on planet Earth to show us how to cook it is Greek food king George Calombaris. I feel like that needs a round of applause.
Oh,
George, you're making today... It was, geez,
we got one.
It was a
pretty lacklustre. You don't get any lamb.
That was massive. Thank you.
That's better.
Calm, guys,
Anyone that wants some food...
Please don't read into that round of applause. You're making slow roasted lamb shoulder today. It's quite an easy dish, I'm told, to whip up.
Yeah, look, the great thing is...
Because you've done the hard work.
We've done the hard work. So this is 3 days. This took me about a year to develop this recipe. So it's 3 days of process. I'm not going to go into the technicalities, but
Give us a summary.
You know, we basically we brine on day 1 with a secret recipe. Day 2 we tumble and dry. Day 3 100 degrees for 12 hours, and then you get it like that. You pop that in the oven, and in 40 minutes at about 180 degrees, you are a hero, a lamb hero.
And you pretend you've done it all yourself.
That's it. Exactly.
You
Now, Greek salad, I'm going to serve that with a Greek salad. This is the time of the year you only eat Greek salad. Why? Tomatoes are in season. Little tip, tomatoes never go in the fridge. They stay outside because you lose a lot of
ones.
Yeah, you lose a lot of that flavour by keeping them in the fridge.
I can see it aggravates you.
It aggravates me
how often we put them in the fridge.
So don't do that. So tomatoes into a bowl, and I've got ox hearts, I've got cherries, a couple of greens there for a bit of acidity, some romas, cucumbers. You want your cucumbers nice and cold.
Take the skin off?
Yeah, it's up to you.
I've
been a bit chefy. Now, a little something, you've got feta here. Feta here, right?
I love it.
We've got feta here. This is fish sauce. Don't freak out,
Whoa,
right?
hang on, I'm freaking out.
Don't freak out. Now, I want you to marinate that feta in a little fish sauce. Now, if you can imagine, you've got salt and salt. When you connect the two together, again, not going to go into all the detail. The flavour is extremely amazing and delicious.
Is this a George Calombaris special, putting fish sauce on there? Or is that a Greek?
I mean, my aunties, my mum, everyone, they're just jumping at the screen at the moment.
Like, we've done it for years.
Yeah, exactly. Every Greek out there is going to abuse me, but that's okay. Olives, now, olives with pips. No, not olives that haven't got pips. It's like...
But makes you do all the hard work.
That's like your beautiful hair not having hairspray on it.
I mean, it'd be outrageous.
I mean, that's a stretch.
Now, I don't know why I said that. That's weird. So a couple of little chilies here. These are lovely, just for, again, a bit of pop of flavour. Now, that is a caper, right?
Yeah.
These are caper leaves.
Ooh.
Pickled, delicious, yummy, just good stuff. Onion, because it needs onion, but I soak it in a bit of water to remove that oniony astringency.
Yeah.
More
that
chefiness.
goes in, a bit of chefiness there. And then you want to give that a shake for me, right? And that's the dressing. It's just simple. Olive oil. Olive oil. Tip that in.
Okay, 10 seconds left, George.
Okay,
what else do we do?
That goes in. There's your salad. Yep, bang. And then hang on a second.
Oh, God.
My God, I feel like I'm on a TV cooking show.
We've given you 10 seconds to
and then, look at the lamb. Look at the lamb. Right? Look at the lamb. There goes the salad in there. And then a bit of feta on top.
Oh, my goodness.
Because that's what we do. Okay, and then some of this. This is Greek oregano. Look at that.
Look at that, chefiness. That's full chefiness, isn't it?
We're going to put the recipe on the website, George. That is absolutely outstanding. The tumble dry's paid off, if you allow me.
You know, and you're going to be thinking about that comment about my hairspray for the rest of the day, I bet.
You do this.
Can you try the lamb?
How delicious.
Lamb.
Sorry to push you out of the way, but not really.
Look how that falls off the bone.
Look at that.
How
That is
falls
succulent.
off the bone.
Exactly.